Hello and welcome you all. This video is for class 9th, chapter number 8, Microsoft Word 2010, part 1st. Dear students, in this chapter we are going to discuss about MS Word, important features of MS Word, and why MS Word known as richer text application, what are the features MS Word contain, and what benefit we are getting if we are using MS Word. And apart from this, we are getting all the possible options available or present on the Word window that we are using whenever we are going to create any document or any text file. So let us start. Dear student, MS Word or word processor is an application software designed and developed for creating, editing, saving and printing a document. As you know, word processor should never be confused with a text editor such as Notepad, which allow us to create only plain text editor, only plain text. It means if you are using Notepad, so you are able to create only plain text. Plain text means you are not able to format your text as you want. Suppose you want to represent your data in tabular format. Suppose you want to create your data with image. Suppose you want to use any customization in plain text editor. These all things are not possible. This is possible if you are using MS Word. So the major difference between MS Word, Notepad and WordPad are MS Word is an richer text application. Notepad and WordPad are the plain text editor. Notepad used to create only plain text. If we discuss about WordPad, so in WordPad we are having little bit more option comparing than Notepad. But in MS Word you are getting all the options to customize your document as you want. In this chapter we are going to discuss about all the features that present inside MS Word. So first of all, let me tell you about the important features of word processor. As you can see on the screen, word processor or MS Word contain so many features. The first one is ease and speed. It was written here, a word processor provide an easier and faster method to type the text. It means whatever interface you are getting of MS Word, that interface is so much easy. Like I am going to show you. Open MS Word. As you open MS Word, after selecting blank document, whatever interface you are getting, that interface is so much simple. In this, you may type your text easily and fastly. Next feature that we have is editing feature. Using word processor, you can apply the editing feature like copying, moving and deleting a text. In the sense, suppose you are having some text and you want to edit that text, or if you want to move that text, so easily you can do these all things. Like suppose you are having some text. This is Word window, suppose. So easily in this window, after typing the text, you can easily copy the text, easily paste the text. Easily you can move the text. For moving, what you need to do, Control X, it means cut, and at whatever location on the page you want to move it, easily go there and paste your text. So using this feature, editing feature, you can copy, move, delete any text wherever you want. Like this, you may apply page number, header and footer option also there. If you want to show your data in tabular format, that option also available. Header and footer, as you click on, double tap on the top margin, the header part will appear. Or from insert tab also, if you want to use header part, so from here also you can use header and footer like this. This one is the header part, and if you observe below of the page, then footer part is also there. Just see, this one is the footer part. Okay, next feature that we have is formatting feature. It provides various formatting features such as boldface, italic, underline, font name, font color, word art. It means inside home group, home tab, you are getting these all options. Like here, if you want to make your text italic, then you can make your text italic. If you want to make it bold, easily you can make your text bold. If you want to use subscript and superscript, so that also easily you can use. Okay. For making this particular text italic, what you need to do, select the text, go to home tab, click on italic, bold, so it become bold. Italic, click on it, I tag, it become italic. Underline, you need to click on U tab. A strike through is also there. If you click on, then a strike through is appear on the screen. So likewise, you may use bold, italic and underline. Next feature that we have is storage feature. MS Word store your document for future use. It means if you are creating your document and once you save that particular document, it means that particular document is stored for long time use. Further, whenever you require that particular document, you can open or you can access that particular document from your computer. So this feature is also MS Word contain storage feature. Next that we have is graphic feature. In graphic feature, if you want to add image or drawing in your document, so easily you can insert. Suppose for inserting image, you need to click on insert tab, picture. As you click on picture, one dialog box will appear. From here you need to select any picture, save picture, go there, no pictures are there. Suppose I want to use this one. So as you click, it was appear like this. So in your document, if you want to insert any image, so easily you can insert. Next that we have is printing feature. You can easily take printout of your document. Most word processor have the feature of what you see is what you get. It means the same print you will get as you can see on the screen. It means Word provide the exact hard copy of the screen. How? If you check this print layout, so in print preview or print layout, you can see that particular pictures are available exactly as the same as it was presented here. So that is why here it was written, what you see is what you get. It provides this feature, as you see on the screen, the same printout you can get. Next is vocabulary and spell check feature. Dear student, if you ever observe MS Word window, then it will guide you whenever you are committing any mistake. we are going to discuss is mail merge feature. Dear student, this feature allow you to send a piece of text to multiple addresses. For example, if you plan to send your birthday invitation to 100 friends, the mail merge feature will keep you same invitation text for all and will change only the name and address of invited guest. It means you don't need to type invitation individually for everyone. Only once you need to create invited guest list. After creating through this feature, mail merge feature, easily you can send that invitation to multiple peoples. How to create, how to use mail merge feature in Word window. For this, in menu bar you need to click on mailing tab. From here you need to select the recipient list. If you don't have recipient list, you need to create first. Type a new address list or recipient list. In this you need to provide title, first name, last name, company, address 1. It means you need to provide all the possible details including email address. So like this, whatever guest, whatever friends you are having, for all friends you need to create one list. After creating list, easily you can use this feature. It means in this list whatever guests are there, you are able to send your invitation to all the guests at once, and that particular invitation easily delivered to everyone. So this feature is very important. It saves lot of time and effort. Next feature that we have is OLE feature. OLE stand for object linking and embedding. What is object linking and embedding? Dear student, object linking and embedding means while working on MS Word, suppose you want to create an object of Excel sheet. So this feature is also present in MS Word. All of a sudden, if you have any requirement to use Excel sheet on your Word document, so easily you can do this. How? Practically I am going to show you. For this feature, OLE feature, you need to click on Insert tab. As you click on Insert tab, here you can see one option, Object option. Click on this Object option. One dialog box will appear. In this dialog box, you need to select that application which object you want to use in MS Word. Suppose here so many applications are listed. I want to use Excel worksheet. So I need to select Excel worksheet. After selecting, I need to click on OK button. As you click on OK button, what will happen? One Excel sheet will appear on your screen. Just see. And this Excel sheet behavior is same as Excel. It means here you can apply formula and you can maintain Excel sheet inside Word. It means this particular object is coming from different application and this one you are using inside MS Word. This is possible, this is happened because of OLE feature, object linking and embedding. So practically let me tell you, this Excel sheet is working fine or not inside MS Word. So what I need to do is, let me show you the sheet is working or not. So this Excel sheet is present on inside MS Word. So let me take one column A, one more column B, and here I want A plus B. Give some random value 12, 2, 4, 5, 2, here suppose 6, and I want total here. So apply the formula is equals to sum colon A2 colon B2, bracket close, press enter. See, total is appearing here and it was working same as you are working on Excel window. It means through OLE feature, object linking and embedding, you are allowed to open a object of Excel sheet inside MS Word. So this feature is used like this. Moving to the next point. So this is all about the feature, important feature of MS Word. Next that we have is popular word processor. So as you can see the most popular word processor application that we have is MS Word. Apart from this, OpenOffice, Google Docs, Notepad and WordPad, Library Office Writer. Okay. Next that we have is Introduction to MS Word 2010. So if we talk about the introduction, inside this we are going to understand about how to create and save a document, opening an existing document, editing and formatting a document, previewing and printing a document. Inside this, the first one is how to open MS Word window. So generally, as you can see here, MS Word, or if you plan to open MS Word, so you need to click on a start button, all program, Microsoft Office suite. Inside that you will find Microsoft Word 2010. Apart from this, one more way we are having, that way is press Window R, run panel will appear. Inside this, if you type WinWord, WINWORD, after typing, as you click on OK button, MS Word is going to be appear on your screen. So after opening Word, the first interface, whatever interface you are getting, it look like this. And in this interface, you need to decide you want to use blank document or you want to use any template. So let me tell you what is template. Templates are the predefined structure, and MS Word provides so many predefined structures, so many templates. So it's up to you. You want to use blank document or you want to use template. Suppose if you plan to use template, so how you can use that particular template. So for this, what you need to do is, suppose you want to use this Outlook template. So what you need to do, as you click on that Outlook template, it will appear on the screen. Or suppose you want to use this one, essential resume. So as you select on that particular template, what will happen? One predefined structure is going to open on your screen. Inside this, what you need to do is, whatever fields are there, here you need to write your profile, mention the name and resume title according to your profile. So layout is predefined, only you need to change the field text. So this way you can use template, or if you don't want to use template, you want to use blank document. For this you are having option to select blank document. As you select blank document, one blank page is going to be appear on the screen. And if you observe this blank page carefully, so this blank page is same as your notebook page. In this, some predefined margins are there. Like if you see the ruler bar, so here some margins are there, some indents are there. So if I click here, so this one is first line indent, below hanging indent, last left indent, and here you are having right indent. So by using indent, you can set the page margin. Suppose my cursor is blinking here, and if you want to make this cursor at the corner of page, so you need to set the margin. How to set the margin? Go to the ruler bar, indent page, and from here drag it like this. This also. So as you customize the margin, what will happen? Your page margin is going to be changed. Now you can see that my cursor is blinking here. So this way you can set the margin. Moving to the next, how to open Word document, that you understood. Start button, all program, Microsoft Word, Microsoft Office, Microsoft Word 2010. This way also you can open. Or one more thing is there, Window R, run panel, there you need to type WinWord, and then after you need to press OK button. Next is this one is the interface window of MS Word. Interface window means after selecting the blank document, whatever window you are getting, it will look like this. And the first ribbon that you get is this one is the quick access toolbar. This one is the title bar, this one is the control button, and this we call it ribbon. Inside that all the menus are presented. This is your work area, and at the bottom you are getting status bar. And in this ribbon, whatever menus are presented, in each menu we are having different options like file, home, insert, design, page layout, references, mailing, view, review. So these are all options you are getting. Okay. Next thing that we have is creating a document. How to create a document, that I already told you. If you plan to create any document, so it's up to you. You want blank document, or in place of this you want to use any template. If you plan to use blank document, click on blank document. As you click on blank document, one blank document is going to be created, and that blank page is same as your notebook page. Next point that we have is word wrap feature versus enter key. In MS Word, what is the use of word wrap feature? Dear student, word wrap means when you are started typing, what will happen as the cursor reaches to the last line, what will happen? Automatically the line is going to be break. Suppose I am typing here, and as the cursor reaches to the last line, automatically line is going to be break. So this has happened because of word wrap. And suppose after breaking the line, if you want to break your line middle of the page, so for this you need to press enter key. So two things are there. Word wrap means as the cursor reaches to the last line, automatically line is going to be break. And if you want to break your line middle of the page, for this you need to press what? Enter key. So this is the major difference between word wrap and enter key. Enter key means wherever you feel to break the line, that case you need to press enter key. If you don't want to break the line, as the cursor reaches to the finishing of the line, automatically line is going to be break. Next that we have is formatting markers. If you observe inside home tab, so we are having some formatting markers, these all. So in formatting markers, as you click, the marker is going to be appear on the page. In marker we are having space mark, paragraph mark, line break, and tab mark, and these all options present inside home tab paragraph group. Okay, next is saving a document. How to save a document? To save any document, the shortcut key is Ctrl plus S, or if you click on file, from here also you can save your document. For first time you need to click on save. Later on, if you want to change the location of that particular file, so for opening save dialog box you need to click on save as. Next thing, very important thing that I am going to tell you, if you want to save your document with password protection, so what you need to do? For this you need to click on save dialog box will appear. In this you need to choose the location, at what location you want to save that particular file. Suppose I want to save that particular file on desktop, so I click on desktop. As I click on desktop, one dialog box will appear. In this I need to give the file name. Suppose I provide file name 1234, and I want to save this particular file with password. So what I need to do is click on tools drop down, general option will appear. As you click, one dialog box came. Password to open, you need to specify the password. Then after you need to click on OK button, then re-enter the password, same password, click on OK button, and at last you need to click on save. After saving a document, again if you are going to open that particular file, so you need to specify, you need to provide the password, the same password, whatever password you provided while saving it. So I am going to open that particular file. Let us see whether it was asking password or not. Let me close all the tabs. Okay, now this is my file. Now see, after opening the application, it is asking for the password. If I provide the password, click on OK button, then my file is going to be appear. So like this, you need to follow the step to save your Word document with password. And what are the easy step? First, you need to click on File, click on Save As, need to select the location. In dialog box, you need to click on Tools, General option. Here you need to provide the password, click on OK and click on Save. So this simple step you need to follow if you plan to save your file with password. Next topic that we have is opening an existing document. What is existing document? An existing document means already saved in your computer. Already saved in your computer means just now we have created one file. That file name is 1234. It means this file is already saved inside my computer. So this file is an existing file, known as existing file. How to open? Just right click. Directly you may open that particular file from that particular location, or if you want to open from this Word window, so for this what you need to do is, in this particular interface, if you observe here, you can see that particular file. So from here also you can open, provide the password. Now you are able to see your document. Or after clicking on File, you need to click on Open. So whatever recently created documents, all are listed here. So whatever document you want, just click on it. It will appear on the screen like this. Okay, moving to the next. So this is how you open existing document. Next is editing a document. Editing a document means, suppose these all document you are having. If you want to do some edit, or if you want to make it bold, or some text if you want to make it italic, so for this you need to select that particular text first. Suppose after selecting, if you want to make it bold, click on bold. If you want to make it italic, italic. If you want to underline, underline. So likewise, if you plan to make any changes, so first you need to select that text, then only that changes will appear. Okay, next is selecting the text. For selecting text you may use mouse also, and from keyboard also you can select the text. If you plan to select that particular text by using keyboard, so for this shortcut key is Shift and arrow key. Next, copying and pasting the text. How to copy? The shortcut key is Ctrl plus C and paste Ctrl plus V. Let us see. Suppose I want this Divine Public School. I want to copy this particular text. Ctrl plus C or right click, copy. I want to paste it again. Right click, paste option, or Ctrl plus V. Then also you are able to paste that particular text. Next that we have is moving text. How to move? For this, what you need to do? You need to select that text, whatever text you want to move, select it, Control X, cut, and wherever you want to put, just place your cursor and Ctrl plus V. So easily you can move the text. It was written here also, press Ctrl X, and where at what location you want, press Ctrl V. Okay, next is clipboard. Clipboard is a temporary storage location that can be used for short-term data storage or data transfer operation between document or application using copy and paste. Cut and paste. It means whenever you are using copy and paste after selecting, suppose you copy this particular text, so this one is stored inside clipboard. Clipboard is a short storage location or temporary storage location used to store short term data. It transfer operation between document or application by using copy paste or cut paste. So this is a temporary location where cut copy paste data is going to be stored. Deleting a text, if you plan to delete any text, so what you need to do, select and press delete. So that part selected texts are going to be deleted. Or one more option you are having, backspace. So one by one you can delete the text. Next, one more important thing is there, find and replace. So for this, Ctrl plus F. As you press, find and replace window will appear. Inside that, you need to specify find what, replace with. Suppose I want to find unit test. Unit test second and replace with half yearly. Replace all. Observe it here, unit test second written. As you click on replace, so it was replaced 4 places, total 4 places it was replaced. Just see at what places UT second is there, now half yearly exam is there. So like this you can use this find and replace feature. If you want to find any text, so for this also we are having option Control F, find and replace option, here find option. Suppose you want to find unit text, so just now we replaced, so we are not able to find this unit test. If you want to find half yearly, so what will happen, Control C, inside this Control V and find. Just see, it was, the text was selected here. So like this you can find any text. If you want to replace, so you can replace it by using this window. The shortcut key to open find and replace is Ctrl plus F, or from here also inside home tab replace option is there, find option is there, you can use these both options. Okay, so finding text, these all steps are given. Replacing text, these all steps are given. So this is all about chapter number 8. Whatever basic details are there regarding MS Word, that all we covered. Hope you will understood. Thank you.